What's up, everyone? Adam Saxon here with GuyaNaCube, and today we're going to talk a little bit more about Premium. I'm going to answer some questions that I've received about it. Hopefully this will clear up a little bit more about what this whole capacity thing is about and how it's used. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button for more great content from both Patrick and myself, and you can hit that bell icon to get notifications in your inbox when we post items. All right, cue the intro. Let's look at the first question that spawned the idea for this video, and then we'll go from there. Okay, the question, or rather the comment, was we're looking for details on how to secure Power BI Premium capacity and to restrict resource consumption from external users. So that's an interesting question. The thing that stood out to me was external user, and folks, I think, are wanting to block specific external users from being able to consume their Power BI Premium capacity. But how's that even come into play? And I think this comes back to something I've mentioned before, that Power BI Premium is for content and licenses are for users. So think about that for a second. We can share dashboards to external users. Granted, both ends need pro licenses, but I can share a dashboard to an external user outside of my organization. But what if the workspace that dashboard is in is backed by premium capacity? So if we think about it, we've got workspaces, we've got Power BI Premium capacities, we assign those workspaces to the premium capacity, and inside of that workspace, we've got a set of dashboards, reports, and data sets, and maybe some Excel workbooks. So then I take that dashboard that's in the workspace backed by premium capacity, and I share that to someone outside of my organization. What happens when that external user goes to look at the dashboard and underlying reports? They're using premium capacity. It's backed by premium. Premium's about content, not the users. So in this case, if we want to restrict external users from using our premium capacity, don't share items backed by premium to external users. There's a couple different ways you can do that. Either one, you can not back that workspace by premium capacity and then share those items to external users. Or from a tenant perspective, you can block the capability to share with external users. Again, it's about content, not users. So we need to think about the workspace and the content inside of the workspace. So anyone touching that content, regardless of where they're coming from, is going to be using premium capacity if that workspace is backed by premium. Okay, let's take this to the next level because I like doing that. Let's think ahead a little bit. One of the things that was said that's on the roadmap is the capability to share apps with external organizations. So that means we can publish an app from an app workspace and share that through Azure AD B2B, business to business, and that can go out to external organizations as well. So same scenario, right? Let's think about the workspace. Is it backed by premium? And then we go and share that app with an external organization. Same thing. External users can potentially be using your premium capacity resources. Let's look at another scenario. I can assign workspaces to a premium capacity node. That includes free workspaces. So I've got a free user where I've assigned their workspace, their personal workspace, the My Workspace, to a premium capacity node. They've got a little diamond next to their workspace. Everything's great. They can do refreshes up to 48 times a day. Everything's purring along great. What's the one sharing feature that free users can do? Publish to web. Publish to web gives you an embed code. You can stick that on a blog, a website, wherever you want. There's no authentication bound to it. So what happens when I use that publish to web embed code, say on a blog site, and my personal workspace, my Workspace as a free user is backed by premium capacity? That means that anyone that hits that blog site that's got the report embedded inside of it is going to be rendering that report and using premium resources as part of it because that workspace was backed by premium. You got to be careful. Publish to web is another tenant level setting that as an admin, I can go into the Power BI Admin Center and turn off publish to web to prevent that scenario. But you may not want that for your entire organization. So just consider what you're doing in your organization and which workspaces you're assigning to premium capacity and the effect that may have. Okay, those are just a few scenarios I could think of, but I want to pass this off to you. What other scenarios could you think of where we might be consuming premium capacity in a way that we didn't expect to be consuming those resources? Go ahead and leave that down in the comments below and let me know. If you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button, pound it if you so desire. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button for more great content from both Patrick and myself. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Keep being awesome, and we'll see you in the next video.